Hi everyone and welcome to another video where I'm going to be showing you another car boot haul. I went to the big one that was about 30 miles away today because my local one wasn't on because there's like a marathon or something going on. I didn't pick up loads, but then I wasn't expecting to pick up loads. This time of year the car boots are getting worse, especially with family sellers who I normally buy off. There were a lot of traders there today that I just had no interest in, tools and other rubbish they sell, so unfortunately there wasn't a lot for me, but yeah, sort of an average size haul, and I picked up some really good stuff though, so I will show you what I picked up now. So the first thing I picked up today were these two puzzles. This one's a Ravensburger like safari animal one, and then we have a Despicable Me 3 impossible puzzle. It's impossible to say. 1,000 pieces. I wouldn't like to put that together personally, but someone might. These are both sealed. I did have to pay up a bit because they were sealed. She said because they're new. She took a $5 for the two, which sealed puzzles isn't too bad. That's kind of, especially the 1,000 piece one. £2.50 for that was quite good, I suppose, sealed. Selling wise, I mean, I don't know, around £10 for that one, £12.99 for this one maybe, unless it's something special. I'll have to look them up. And I got 3 of these off a lady, 3 for £1. They're McDonald's Mr. Happy, possibly, mugs. I've got quite a few of these different designs. I don't have any Mr. Happy ones, so I picked them up. And next, another mug. I'm always picking up mugs, especially unusual ones like this. It's a Rubik's Cube official mug. It says copyright 1974. Obviously it's not from 1974. That's just the Rubik's logo, I guess. Not sure on price on that one. I have to do some research. $12.99, maybe $14.99. I don't know. Next is the only DVD I picked up today. I'm trying to steer clear of DVDs. I've got too many at the moment to list. I got it because it's Most Haunted, Series 8. Most Haunted DVDs do still sell, and I don't think I've got this series, so I picked that up. Selling wise, it's about £10, that one, and I paid £2. Next, I picked up a Wild Republic plush. I do try and pick up Wild Republic if I see it because they're good quality and they're really nice looking plushes. This is Squid. It was 50p. I haven't researched it yet, so I don't know how much that'll be. Possibly around the £10 mark. Next is the find of the day. I was over the moon to find these. They're micro machines. If you know me, I love my micro machines, especially weird ones, and I've never even heard of these ones before. Exploration C. I don't think they're very well known in the UK because I've looked them up on eBay, and the only ones for sale are like overseas. There's only one for sale, this one, and it's brand new in the box, and it's going for over £140. Buy it now, from America. This one's going around £50, and there are sold ones. There's a couple sold without the boxes on this, incomplete ones, no box, for around £50. I paid £2 each for these. I don't know if they're complete, I haven't checked them yet, but they look absolutely cool. I would kind of want to keep them myself personally, but I can't. Especially as they're so expensive. I did see this one on eBay, Polar Command, and it sold for 99p, so I'm not quite sure why. There must be some sets that are rarer than others. I saw this one on eBay as well, Texas Drill Dock, and that was over £100. And I think that had sold over £100. So yeah, I was over the moon to find those. £2 each, absolute bargain. I'm grabbing that all day long. Next, got a couple of these. I do have a white version, similar to this. And I managed to find 2. It always seems to happen. I've had a few things like that. Same car boot sale, same item, which is good because I can just do one listing, and when it sells I can just relist it and just do some new photos if I need to.
I fly up in the sky, all around the clouds, I zoom up and down.
Yeah, that's enough of that. I don't know, they sell around £10. I bought one for £1 and one was £2. So $1.50 each basically. Paid up for these. More irritating sounds. That seems to be the theme of today actually. You'll see again in a minute why. Twirly woos. I do have this one. I don't know if my other one makes a sound. I don't know if I've actually attempted to squeeze it. But yeah, they make sounds. Nice and clean. They were £2 each, so I paid £4 for both. Again, that was quite an early buy. That was, I wasn't really thinking I'll be getting much today, so I paid up a bit on some of my early purchases. Yeah, I don't know what to do with those. I'll have to do some research. Next, we have another irritating sound toy. This is a Kiddieland farmer's tractor thing. It came with some extra animals. She said she had to rebuy some of the animals because she lost one. It looks like the cow and the sheep aren't there, so it looks like she's bought another set of figures, but one of them was complete. I paid £5 for it, which is quite a lot really, but again it was an early purchase and I didn't think I was going to pick up much today. It does move as well. It nearly fell off the table when I did that. But yeah, it was £5. They're going around 15, possibly 18 if I'm lucky. I've got the extra animals and stuff, so I might be able to ask a little bit more for it. So yeah, not too bad I suppose. Next we have this. It's a doll. I thought it might be Monster High, and then I've got home and think it's possibly maybe Bratz. I'm not sure, but it looked kind of Monster High because it had a tattoo. So again, I don't like researching these because I can never find them. I have to Google image them half the time. It was £1. I know Monster High ones can go around £10, so that's why I got it. Next we have another gingerbread man. I've already got one of these. It's actually live on my eBay at the moment. It's like a hand puppet. This needs a wash, this one. 50p I paid for that. The one I'm selling at the moment I've got up for £15, but it might go around £12.99 eventually. And you know me, it wouldn't be a video without a Build-A-Bear. It's a Build-A-Bear unicorn. It has got a symbol on the bottom there, and I don't know what that is, so I'm going to have to try and find out what it is. It does come with shoes as well. That was £1, which I thought was a bargain. It's got something hard inside. It might be a scent, but it doesn't smell that bad. But it needs a wash. It'll go through the washing machine, that one. And finally, I picked up these La La Loopsy dolls. I don't pick up any for, well, since I started, and then found one at the charity shop yesterday, and I found 4 at a car boot sale this morning. In fact, there were 2 others on another stall, but they were smaller and in really poor condition, and there was a baby La La Loopsy one as well, and that had no clothes on it, so I left those. But there were these 4, £1.50 each they were, and I offered £5 for the 4, and he took it, which was really nice. They're not too bad condition, they just need a clean, surface clean. There's a couple of marks on them. But yeah, they will go with the one I got yesterday. And again, I'll just research and find out how much they are worth. If not worth anything, then I'll just bundle them. So yeah, a nice little haul today, quite a lot of preschool things, and I'm over the moon with these micro machines. I cannot tell you how excited I was when I saw these. So today I spent £33 in total. Again, I haven't done my research on everything yet, so I don't know how much I'll get back, but judging by the prices of those micro machines, possibly around £150 to £200. So yeah, really happy. I love going to car beats, and I love my new job selling on eBay. So thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.